How about a speaker that's nice and meaty and juicy, huh? Hi guys, I'm Vignesh for Digit, and today let's have a closer look at the Amazon Echo Studio. The Echo Studio is one of Amazon's top-of-the-line smart speakers. It's designed not only for typical smart speaker customers, but also for audio enthusiasts. Weighing in at almost 4 kilograms, the Echo Studio has multiple speakers on the inside, including 3 2-inch mid-range drivers, 1 tweeter, and a 5.25-inch woofer. In addition, the Echo Studio features a 3.5mm audio jack for audio line in and dual band Wi-Fi. While the sound quality produced by the Echo Studio is relatively good, it is no replacement for high-end studio monitors. What's more, the sound from the speaker tends to get bass heavy. All things considered, the Echo Studio is a fine smart speaker for someone who listens to music often in their bedroom. Well, that's it guys, that was a quick look at the Amazon Echo Studio. Now, this here is a speaker that's for seasoned users and for first-time buyers alike. Now, you can get this if you're an audio enthusiast, but don't expect it to be something very professional. Nonetheless, if you want good sounding audio in your room, this one's the ticket. Thank you so much for watching this video.